So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video, and as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I maintained my consistency since for a year, and I have been doing that simple thing. You know that I am always doing my consistency, making my consistency because I feel that I believe that it's my believeness if I am talking regularly without hampering a single day. I will be fluent. I will be the mastery on it. Miss Mastery means I'm capable in front of any people to talk in that particular language. So that's why I'm trying my best at recording video and always try to record video. Why I choose recording? Because I know that if I am talking in front of any people in any people and anyone like siblings like cousins, so the people is just mocking at me always. So that's why I choose that simple path, and camera is really a very true friend for you. If you are talking, there are a lot of benefit to learn this language as well as you learn many more things. So that's why I am always preferring this camera recording and video without any further delay. I am always recording and uploading on a YouTube channel because I know that there are a lot of benefit to recording video. So that's why I am always emphasizing in that particular way. If you really want to learn this language, then you also have to record video. There are a lot of benefits to recording a video. Means I'm recording a video like I'm recording right now. So I am learning this language as well as many things. Like I'm learning how to present myself in front of camera. I am learning how to just record video and uploading on a YouTube channel and watch the people like modes and as well as I'm getting the appreciation with the all people and lot of things, many more things I'm learning from the YouTube channel and also from the video. And the best part is that I am also learning my dream. Means it's a dream for me to talking in English in front of any people. So I am learning that thing. I am just growing that day by day. So it's my believeness. It's truth that what I am assuming, what I'm getting without demotivation. That is the very biggest part of recording video. Means if you are talking in front of any people, he just criticize you, mock at you, and just nothing else will happen. You feel demotivated that time. But rather than you are talking in front of any people, you are preferring to talk in front of YouTube videos on videos. So you will get a lot of benefits. Like you will rectify your mistakes, you will find it your mistakes, you will just you are just working on your language meticulously. So it's a very important to you guys record video as much as you can. In an initial phase it's very tough for recording videos, but in a after some days, after some times, you will mastery on it. You will used to with this your YouTube, your camera, your videos. So it will really give you a lot of benefit. And I learn this language with the help of my YouTube channel, with the help of my video, because day by day I am uploading video. And first of all, I'm saying to you, I'm not scripting my video. As you know that I'm just opening my camera, not any type of script, not I don't have an idea what I have to record, just opening my camera and just recording. Like me, I don't have what I have to talk, just as a live video I'm recording. But basically I'm practicing as much as what is in mind. I am talking to you, I am talking in front of camera. So that is it, what you have to do. I'm not saying you have to prepare back of the camera for a lot of hours. No, I am just saying you have to record video randomly, because it's a very big thing to recording randomly. You are learning how to talk suddenly without any further thinking, and you will build when you are trying your best to record your video. Basically you are trying to talk suddenly and automatically. Basically I say that, if I'm wrong correct me in a comment section. Automatically in the sense you don't have a situation, like you are creating your situation, you are creating your environment to talk in English. And it will happen only when you're not preparing something. You will get or you will get something suddenly. So that's why I'm always emphasizing in that particular way. If you are learning in that way, you will learn many more things, like how to talk in front of any people. And the people is a some people is asking some questions. So how can you are able that time to deal with that type of all the questions. Like me, I am recording always without scripting, without any type of ideas. I am recording, and for always, if I am talking in front of any people, then I feel confident that time because I am not thinking. I don't have to think about many more things, and I'm not feel and just be like the beginner. So it is happening just because of I am building my confidence, I am building my tone in that way. So that is a very important thing, and that's what I really want to achieve, and in this way I am achieving day by day. So it is very important to learn this language in that way. It will really help you. You don't have to spend your single penny in that particular things because it's a very easiest to learn this language. It will be free for you. It is free for you right now. It's a free achievement, a skill. You will just grow you 1% faster than anyone. Just you don't have to do many work. Just open your camera, record a video, and do constantly, continuously. You will learn this language in a very easiest way. You don't have to do many more things. Means if you are just searching like a lot of dust on a YouTube channel, lots of trashes on a YouTube channel, like if you're searching on a YouTube channel, just how can we learn this language? How we will fluent in English language? There are thousands of video, lakhs of video on a YouTube channel. But I think so, although 90% of the videos is not correct. Just because all the people suggesting you have to read, you have to write, you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to learn vocabulary and many more. What the hell is this happening on a YouTube channel? I don't know. But the right way to learn this language is you have to be used to with that language. Because I am thinking like if you learning this language and if someone wants to learn this language, he has to make a habit to talk in English. Suppose that if you're talking in front of any people like Hindi language and in your own language, your local language, you are not thinking about what you have to talk. You are not thinking about that time the vocabulary. You are not thinking about the rules of your local language. Just you are only focusing on what your thoughts, what you want to convey there. So in that way, it will happen it just because of your habit. So in that same way, you have to build the habit to talk in English. Then you will able to talk in English. That is a very simplest way. That is a very simplest thing. You have to learn it, and that's what I am working on it. I am growing day by day. I'm just getting success in that particular field because I know that what I'm doing, and I am proving that day by day because I am enhancing myself. I am just focusing on that one particular thing. I have to learn this language in that way. I'm not just choosing the another way what the other people is suggesting on YouTube channel. Because I'm not saying the people is wrong. I am not saying the method is wrong. I am just saying it's a lot of burden. If you really want to learn this language with that method, you have to give a lot of time. But what I am suggesting you always is take a less time. Miss 30 minutes in a day. You have to record 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, and 10 minutes in the night. You will be fluent in after in upcoming 6 months. It's very simple. I'm not saying you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to learn vocabulary. Just work on it in that way. You will learn something. You are capable that time to speak in front of any people and articulate your words with confidence. Like I am saying, I am suggesting something from the till now for a 8 minute, and you are not even thinking about my English grammar rules. You are only focusing on my conveying what I want to convey, what I want to articulate with you all guys. So that is what you have to gain, that is what you have to build it, and it will only possible when you make your habit. And habit is possible when you are just try to talk for always. If you are doing, suppose that if you are doing something for whole life, you will be used to with it. You have a habit to do that. So in that same way, you have to just build the habit to talk in English, and then after you will capable to talk in English. It's a very basic, it's a very easiest way to learn, and that is why I'm learning day by day, because I'm not breaking my consistency. Even for a 2 minutes, sometimes really very hard, sometimes it's very difficult for me also. So I really prefer for a 2 minutes rather than not working, okay, not recording my video. I'm preferring for 2 minutes. If I'm capable in my personal situation to record for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's okay. It's very okay for me. But I don't want to break my consistency. It's my personal thinking. It's That's why I am working on it, and that is what exactly I want to convey here. You don't have to break your consistency, just speak. And if you're not capable to speak, don't stop your recording. Just recording for 10 minutes, even when you are silent in front of camera. It's okay in initial phase, but after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, after 1 week, 2 weeks, you will just give something output in front of camera. So it's very important, it's very necessary in an initial phase. It's also happening with me, but I'm not, I'm a fastidious, what I say, I'm really stubborn person. I'm very stubborn. What I think I have to do it, I will do it. So it's very necessary. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys, and what you're thinking in that way, what you're thinking about me, my thought, let me know in a comment section. And what's your suggestion? Also suggest me something, because I'm also a learner, I'm learning day by day. So that's for today. See you in the next video. My time is over. So see what I said. Take care of yourself and family. I remembered it. And so, bye bye.